Oh,
Hello
hello.
there.
Have you come with the correct parts this time?
I believe I do. If you watched the last episode, you know my bike broken down again. We didn't know what was going wrong, it wasn't charging. We found out when we stripped the bike off there was the stator. We ordered the parts and the parts were wrong. Cable's too short, description of the parts were also wrong. We ordered it again now from, actually I ordered it again from HogParts, and we shall find out if it's the right part.
HogParts have never let us down before.
No, never did. Always just a little bit of sweets.
Oh, we can eat some sweets. Thank you, HogParts.
They usually sent it to us, and now, let's check it. And that's how your stator should look with this size cable. If you got a Sportster 2001, if it's shorter than that, don't even waste your time.
It even looks better quality than the other one.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
And so, what price was this compared to the bad one that we
I
bought?
ordered before the stator and the regulator together for £145.
Yeah.
These are £75.
That's pretty good.
£75
For quality stuff. It's actually supplied by Drag Specialities, which
for
are
a drag queen.
for a drag queen. And there she is.
And there's some other goodies here.
We're battling with the weather. There's not enough room in the shed because we've already got a bike in there.
How many bikes you've got now on the
Oh,
side?
too many, too many.
Cannot even count, can you?
No.
How many working then?
One, two.
Okay, some nice sweeties. Thank you very much, HogParts. Oh, Chris, would you like the sweet? Oh, there's a penis. That's for you.
Thank you very much. Oh my God, they're sour.
Everybody loves sour Haribo.
Everybody loves HogParts. Thank you, HogParts.
Thank you.
Very nice.
It's like you're looking for a sponsorship and shit.
I think we've got it already.
Oh.
We've been paid in sweets. Right, now we've got the parts. Unfortunately, Marcus has had to go to work, so he won't be with us for the rest of the video. So you got me, who's just been in for an eye operation, doing the rest of it. We've got the parts, we've got the Sportster, and we've got a pile of tools. So join me and we get this Harley back together and get it charging again, get it back on the road. Now obviously this bike's been waiting a week or two for the new part, and we didn't want to leave it open to the elements, so we put all the covers back on. Not all of them. This is the gear lever just floating there. Let's get these bolts undone. So from now on, it's HogParts only. No more eBay. If you remember from part one, we left a draw wire in there to be able to pull this down that hole and out the bottom there. As you can see, I've tied that on there, but it is a tight hole to get down in there. And if I pull on that, that's going to go that way. So I'm going to wrap some tape around here and I'm going to put some grease on there. Right, a bit of grease on there, and that will help it pass through that casing. There we go, it's out of the bottom now, all the way in. So now all it's left to do is to connect this to that there. Like that, and I can't do it one-handed, so I'll switch the camera off and I'll switch it back on when I'm done. So that's his bike all done. A shame he wasn't here for the filming. Oh, he's here.
So the bike finished.
Yeah, yeah, thanks to me.
Thank you very much.
I'm glad you couldn't arrive for the filming.
Well, I sadly have to work.
Come in if you like.
Thank you. Yeah,
Not only have I fixed your bike,
because we don't have enough viewers, I need to work now. That's what happens, you know.
not only have I fixed it, I've cleaned it.
Oh, thank you very much.
Well,
I'll pay the beers tonight.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yes.
You want a hug?
Yes.
Okay. We hug it later. No, off the cameras, please.
Okay.
And yeah, it looks like, yeah, it's not clean. I'm so sorry, Chris, but I mean, you've been saying what? Did you clean my bike? I don't know. It looks lovely. Thank you very much.
Yeah, well, start it first.
Yeah,
It starts, it runs, it charges.
okay. So,
Petrol.
oh, thank you, Daddy. Is it on neutral? Because you know what it is. Yeah, we can't really tell.
You haven't got a neutral light, have you?
No, I was press it. No, I'll try. Should be neutral. Yeah,
The stand is done.
yeah, that's my next thing.
Stand spring.
Audio, the beats have arrived, but I was in such a hurry when I got home
Start it.
that I left Audio, the beats at home, covers for that.
Start it, bitch.
Okay, okay. Finished.
Should we go?
Yeah, let's go. Let's try the sit. Sit made by Dan, the Leatherman.
The Senga Leatherworks.
Let's try it. The Senga Leatherworks. So
Nice, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
I
but
think it quite complements your bike.
That does not fit my bike. My
Right.
seat's being made now, but that's another episode.
So this is just a
This is a
temporary.
temporary seat that our friend Dan from the Senga Leathers has lent me, so I can actually ride my bike while he works on my seat with no pressure to get the best results.
Okay.
And if you want any leather work, you can follow the link below. Contact Dan because he's
Right.
probably busy for you, but
You're getting boring now.
I know you're boring.
And this is going to end up on the cutting room floor if you're not
I
careful.
know it will, yeah. And probably not even gonna be on the video. You know, that's probably what's
Just a
gonna happen.
waste.
Yeah.
I see you've got the same t-shirt on as when we started this. Was it part one you had
Because
that
it
t-shirt on?
was meant for me to carry on and be at the same day, but anyway.
Oh well.
I
You're trying to
watched it.
trick the viewers,
Of course.
like everyone else does.
Yeah, obviously, but at least we're honest about it.
On YouTube.
We would show exactly what trick's been done to them.
Should we go?
There we go, let's go.